Is your Android phone locked by Factory Reset Protection (FRP)? SB Mobile Lab rose to prominence in 2025 as a fast and free solution for unlocking FRP. While it offers APKs, utilities, and tutorials, these come with risks of malware and potential warranty voiding. In this video, we'll explain in detail how to safely download and use SB Mobile Lab to bypass FRP. If you don't want to take the risk, we also provide a safer, more beginner-friendly alternative. Stay till the end. SB Mobile Lab, a free online resource platform tailored for Android repair technicians and advanced users, gathers tools, APKs, and guides for unlocking, flashing, and bypassing restrictions on major brands and chipsets. It includes FRP bypass tools, features tools like Artemis, MRT tool, Android utility tool, XTMADB, etc., which are designed for the removal of Google FRP on different brands and chipsets. Unlocking and repair software provides tools that can be used for flashing firmware, removing demo mode or MDM restrictions, unlocking bootloaders. Pros: it is an excellent source of free access to multiple unlocking and repair tools. Extensive device support across major Android manufacturers and chipsets. Guides the user through the process by providing step-by-step instructions, test point images, and flashing instructions, which save deep technical effort. Cons: there is a risk of malware, corrupted files, and unstable performance. The absence of manufacturer support, the possibility of voided warranties, and the legality of usage in some regions may be doubtful. Visit the official SB Mobile Lab website, then select a compatible tool for your device. Now download and extract the tool, then install the required drivers, then run the tool's setup file, and then run the bypass and verify. If you're concerned about the risks associated with SB Mobile Lab, then consider the reliable and professional FRP unlocking tool, Tool-iMobie DroidKit. It supports numerous brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Motorola, Sony, etc. Compatible with Windows and Mac systems, Android 6 to 15, and features simple and easy-to-understand operation steps, guiding you through FRP unlocking with high success rate. Firstly, free download and launch DroidKit on your PC, then select the FRP bypass mode. Now connect your FRP locked device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. When prompted, choose your phone brand to proceed. After that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Then click the Start to Bypass button. Now follow the instructions shown to put your phone in recovery mode and get your system version. Then hit the Next button. Now follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. After completing the setting, it will start to disable the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your device will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. We still recommend Tool-iMobie DroidKit, which has the highest success rate to bypass the FRP lock on your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.